Did you know that only 11% of SaaS companies ever scale past $2 million ARR? Most get stuck not because they lack a great product, but because they fail to execute the right scaling strategies. So how do you go from $2 million to $20 million ARR without burning out your team or running out of cash? Let's break it down. Well, scaling a SaaS business isn't just about getting more customers. It's about building a predictable, repeatable growth engine. The strategies that got you to $2 million ARR won't get you to $20 million. You need to optimize customer acquisition, improve retention and expansion revenue, and scale your team and operations. In this video, we're going to uncover exactly how you scale your SaaS business to $20 million ARR step by step. So most SaaS companies hit a revenue ceiling because of these three key challenges. Number one, market competition. Scaling means fighting against big players and rising acquisition costs. Secondly, customer retention struggles. If churn isn't under control, you're constantly replacing lost revenue. Thirdly, inefficient growth operations. Without strong processes and automation, scaling becomes chaotic instead of predictable. So if you don't solve these problems, growth stalls and competitors take over. So how do you break through? Well, here's how top performing SaaS companies scale from $2 million to $20 million ARR. Number one, they build a scalable customer acquisition engine. Growth slows when customer acquisition isn't predictable. A good example is HubSpot. They built an SEO-driven inbound engine, reducing paid acquisition costs while increasing organic leads. How you can do it is to invest in content marketing, SEO, and community building for organic demand. Use multi-channel acquisition, LinkedIn cold outreach, and product-led growth. Track CAC and LTV metrics, scale what works, cut what doesn't. Secondly, they drive revenue expansion through retention and upsells. The fastest growing SaaS companies don't just acquire more users, they increase revenue per user. A good example is Slack, which drives growth by expanding within existing teams, turning small accounts into enterprise contracts. How you can do it is to optimize onboarding for faster time to value, identify upsell and cross-sell opportunities through user behavior data, and improve churn by improving support and engagement. Thirdly, they scale operations and team without breaking growth. Many SaaS companies fail at scaling because they don't structure their teams for growth. A good example is Atlassian, who built a product-led sales model, reducing dependence on high-cost sales teams. How you can do it is to hire specialists for demand gen, sales, and customer success, automate billing, renewals, and support to reduce operational friction, align marketing teams and product teams and sales to drive seamless scaling. And the biggest unlock for SaaS growth is leveraging data-driven growth loops. Companies like Notion and Figma use product data to optimize feature adoption, referrals, and also retention. Tracking user behavior lets you predict churn and expansion revenue before it happens. And the lesson here is the best SaaS companies don't just react, they use data to drive every decision. So let's recap here. Build a scalable customer acquisition system, focus on retention and upsells to maximize revenue, scale operations and team without chaos, use data-driven growth loops to optimize every stage. And if you want to hit $20 million ARR, you need a system, not just more customers. So what's your biggest challenge in scaling your SaaS company? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into SaaS growth. And if you're a technology executive or founder looking to scale, see if you qualify to join techgrowthleaders.com, the exclusive network for high growth technology leaders. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye and God bless. Thank you.